welcome ulit sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng cheesy milky donut balls. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, papaalsahin natin yung ating yeast. Dito sa ating warm milk, maglagay lang tayo ng 1 tablespoon ng sugar at haluin natin. Then i-add na natin yung yeast. Haluin lang natin and we will leave this for 5 minutes and set aside. Dito sa ating stand mixer, inilagay ko na yung flour. At i-add na natin yung sugar, yung ating salt, at yung ating butter, softened butter. And ready na yung ating yeast. Maglagay lang tayo ng well sa gitna at ilalagay na natin yung napaalsa nating yeast. I-add ko na rin yung 2 eggs at yung ating about 2 tablespoon ng warm water. And then using a hook attachment, imi-mix natin to on low speed. You can also do manual kneading sa recipe ito. Paki-check nyo na lang yung link sa description box for my ube pandesal recipe for manual kneading procedure. After a few minutes, ihinto lang natin. Using a spatula, i-scrape natin yung paikot sa gilid at dun sa ilalim para sa mga dumikit na flour. Then, continue lang natin ang pagmimix for 12 to 15 minutes. If your dough is too sticky, mag-add lang kayo ng 2 to 3 tablespoon ng flour. Dahan-dahan lang, tansyahin nyo lang. After 15 minutes, pwede na natin itong i-switch off. Kuha lang kayo ng flour sa kamay nyo para matanggal nyo yung dough sa hook. Para hindi madikit. Then, mag-dust lang tayo ng flour dito sa ating clean worktop. I-transfer na natin yung dough. I-knead natin to by hand for 2 minutes. Ang pag-knead, kailangan i-press down nyo yung dough at the same time, ipupush nyo away from you. Pag yung dough nyo ay sticky pa rin, wag na kayo mag-add ng flour. Ang ginagamit ko, oil. A few drops of oil. And then, continue ko ang pag-knead. Hanggang ma-absorb lang ng dough yung oil. After a few minutes ng kneading, i-check natin yung dough. Kuha lang tayo ng maliit na portion. I-stretch out natin. Pag hindi na siya napupunit, ready na yung ating dough. Bilugin lang natin yung dough to form a ball. Siksikin nyo lang. And then, using the bowl from the stand mixer, nilagyan ko lang ng konting oil. Then, transfer na natin yung dough facing down. Then, ibalik na rin nyo. Flip it over. Iko-cover lang natin to ng cling wrap or kung meron kayong damp cloth. We will leave this to rise for 1 hour hanggang mag-double in size. After 1 hour, nag-double in size na yung ating dough. Mag-dust lang ulit tayo ng flour dito sa ating worktop. At i-transfer na natin yung dough. Remove lang natin yung excess air by pressing it down using your fingers. Then, ikakat natin yung dough into 2. Set aside muna natin yung isa. And yung first portion, i-flatten nyo lang muna using your fingers. At yung ating rolling pin, mag-dust lang tayo ng flour para hindi didikit. Flatten it using the rolling pin. Pag ganito manipis na for about half centimeter ng thickness, pwede na ito. Kuha lang tayo ng cutter, round cutter, at ikakat natin. Then, remove it. Iset aside lang muna natin yung nakat nating dough. Gagamit din ako ng smaller cutter for a smaller size ng ating donut balls. Continue lang natin yung pagkat ng dough. Yung mga napagtabasan, pagdikit-dikitin nyo lang uli, form it into a bowl and set aside. Pwede pa natin itong gamitin mamaya. Then, continue natin yung second portion ng dough. Same procedure. It's up to you kung gaano kalaki ang yung gagawing balls. Para sa pag-assemble, kuha lang tayo ng yung bigger portion. I-flatten nyo lang using your finger. Ilagay nyo yung cheese sa gitna and seal it. Pinch nyo lang para mag-seal. Then, i-roll nyo sa worktop or sa in between your palms. Then, transfer lang natin yung dough dito sa isang tray lined with parchment paper. Then, continue lang ang rest ng procedure, pati dun sa small dough, same procedure. Nakatapos na ako ng 1 tray, tatakpan ko lang uli ito ng cling wrap or damp towel. We will leave this to rise for another 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, nag-double in size na yung ating dough. This one is ready. Preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at ipiprito na natin yung donut balls. Make sure yung heat nyo ay nasa low heat lang. Ipiprito lang natin to hanggang maging golden brown. After a few minutes, baliktarin lang natin yung ating pinipritong donut. And then, continue lang natin ulit hanggang sa mag-golden brown yung other side. Then, continue natin ang pagluluto sa rest ng ating donut balls. Para sa ating dusting, ilagay natin yung semi-skimmed powdered milk dito sa bowl. I-add na natin yung icing sugar. Haluin lang natin itong maigi. Then, i-roll natin yung naprito nating donuts. Make sure na covered lahat ng milk yung donut. Then, transfer nyo lang sa isang plate. And continue natin yung rest ng ating donut. And there you have it, our cheesy milky donut balls. Nakagawa ako ng 16 pieces ng malaking donut at 20 pieces ng small donuts. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.